Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. నమస్కార్
నమస్తే.
నమస్కార
వణకం.
ఖుషామది
అస్సలాము అలైకుం.
సత్యకాల్
మీకందరికి వందనము.
जय स्वामीनारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण.
जय जिनेन्द्र
हमारे समाइल भाई बंधुओं को बोलते ही यालिमदद.
मौलाली मदद बोलते हैं सारे फीजी बंधुओं बोलेगा नीसा बोला बटजान हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं सिर्फ फालतू बाबा
And of course, myself फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और ड्राइव टाइम शो that's going to make it totally exciting and totally मस्तानी बंधु जाने. And हम आ गए हैं आपके ही प्यारे महिमा के दुलारे myself फालतू रानी and मेरे साथ है आलतू बाबा who is right now busy trying to set up something on my laptop. I don't know what's going on, but it's does not seem to be working right. Anyway, आपने देखा ही होगा मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले एक वीडियो शेयर किया था जो आज के शो के थीम के बारे में है. I'm pretty sure many of you are, desperately trying to hang up on all your Zoom meetings, your WebEx calls, your वो क्या कहते हैं और क्या है group Google Meets and all that, so that you can actually log into the Pam Pam show. And आज वही dry, boring Zoom, WebEx, whatever, like those meeting lingo से हम लोग थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए ये शो लेकर आए.
That's right, बच्चन. आज है Thursday Talkies. Now आप सोच रहे होंगे कि Thursday Talkies मतलब क्या? What are you talking about? Well, बच्चन, you see what's happening over there because Faltwani is like, oh my God. Faltwani?
क्या?
हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच फालतू. ये जनरली होता रहता है. इसको तो ऊपर रख दे ताकि तेरा चेहरा दिखाई दे.
Rascal.
What happens in all these kind of meetings?
You didn't tell me you were going to do that.
वाह, मैं क्या बताऊँ तेरे को फालतू. अच्छा, anyway, but the thing is, we actually are, going to be giving you some ideas.
Yeah.
तो आज का शो बर्जन is going to be a little bit different, informative show plus entertainment है क्योंकि we're talking about talkies, Thursday talkies है. Now वैसे देखा जाए तो हमारे इंडियन सिनेमा में दो किस्म के गाने आते हैं, राइट? एक आता है एक पोएट्री describing a particular emotion or to emphasize certain emotion, right? एक वो होता है. Second thing is like when you want to move a story forward, like storytelling कर रहा, like the narrator will be narrating a story in the form of a song. Like oh माझी चल like it.
वो narrating a song कहाँ है वो
अरे transition of movement of a story. अभी क्या यार बात है? तू तो technically speaking host कर दी. You don't know about that one, no? Yeah. Those are things you can use while storytelling to move a story forward. Songs, catalysts, all those things. क्या expression तेरा? What a stupid expression is that?
Technically speaking, to Thursday कर रहा है क्या? Alto?
नहीं तो key है ना, तो you should understand all these words. The key words to understand फालतू रानी. And of course, बच्चन अभी के लिए बोल दो कि what? फालतू रानी, I can see you clearly on the camera. क्या बात कर रही है तू? Everybody knows what you do. My God, the eye rolls and all. You know what you are, फालतू रानी? You're like a spoiled brat. Rich brat of, I think, seriously, your parents are spoiled.
How are you feeling, Alto Baba? Good, huh? You feel good? That's okay.
What do you mean?
It's fine. Take a deep breath.
I never said you being a brat is
How does that make you feel, Alto?
What? How does what make you feel?
Whatever you're saying right now.
So Faltwani actually has had a very nice afternoon, I suppose. क्या खाई तूने? कहाँ जाके पार्टी करके आई तू?
I ate authentic Hebbarangar Colombo with some delicious bendekai goju.
Very good.
And it was all man-made, handmade by me.
Man-made by you.
I didn't have to rely on anybody. Superb.
It was man-made by you.
Amazing. I'm so happy.
Father, I'm so proud of you. It was man-made, huh?
Yeah. Man-made, it was not something that some people will buy, right? Like from the packet you can make like Aingar Puliogre types.
What?
That kind of thing. No, it's not like that. This is all ground masalas from the scratch. But no, I'm not going to post any videos or photos of it. Chance ही नहीं है. Chance ही नहीं है. खत्म हो जाएगा. हाँ बताओ आलतू बाबा भी.
Well, अच्छा तो the thing is आज we're talking about those kind of phrases which people use and try to make it filmy. Now So thing is,
Filmy, matlab you want to add flavor to it, na? So you're saying that people get, you know,
Harry,
people get.
when I say flavor to it, yeah, filmy flavor. Matlab, we'll give them ideas through playing songs
Huh.
which are conversational.
Huh.
At the same time, we live in challenge. Dekho, if you don't have learning and you don't have, teaching along with it, testing along with it will be very bad.
Correct.
So we have to do learning and testing both at the same time.
हाँ
So
boss.
एक तो चीज है कि everybody, almost many of you, let me put it this way, majority of you guys have attended some form of an online meeting,
हाँ
right?
हाँ
कोई तो वर्चुअल मीटिंग किया है आपने ना,
Correct.
डेफिनेटली. सो वर्चुअल मीटिंग में क्या होता है, देयर आर सर्टेन काइंड्स ऑफ लिंगो पीपल व्हिच यूज टू शो लाइक oh I know everything about the world.
हाँ
Like it's like how they already have been in the meeting multiple times, right?
Huh.
They'll drop good things like, oh, has there been a quorum in the meeting?
is there quorum?
Is there quorum in the meeting? They'll say enough people in the meeting to actually start the meeting. That's what it means actually.
No, it basic enough people to vote. That's quorum. Basically, there's enough people.
So now we know who drops current words with this Faltrani.
Well, but
So people
that
do
is-
that just to prove like as though they're very.
That's not in every meeting, Altu Baba. Office wale
Well,
meetings mein
yes,
quorum nahi hota
Faltrani
hai.
not required, but
Generally,
I'm telling you, people do drop that kind of words.
Okay.
Office meetings में क्या होता है generally? Oh, hi, welcome. How are you guys doing? Thank you for joining the world. Thank you becomes a flat thing, no expression at all in the whole thing. So Faltrani gave us a wonderful idea on the video. If you've not seen the video, you'll know. But Faltrani,
Huh.
if somebody has said thank you, welcome to the particular meeting, how would you say it?
thank
In
you.
a very spicy way, in a very filmy kind of andaz, where you got to actually sing this as opposed to say it, as words.
Okay. बहुत शुक्रिया बड़ी मेहरबानी
वाह, 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 वाह.
हमारे मीटिंग में
आहा.
हुजूर आप आए.
Very good, very good, very good. तो मुझे ऐसा ही होता है. तो today's show is going to be all that. We're going to actually give you a phrase.
Huh.
We'll give you some time to think about it also, right?
Huh.
So the thing is, when you're actually in a meeting, you should actually break the, or what should I say?
The monotony.
The monotony by making it spicy and nice. Now, either you can use multiple words or take the existing words and string them into a tune.
Yeah.
Everybody go, wow, this person's awesome, this guy got pizzazz, what do I call it, all those things, think about it. Then they automatically you can start directing the meeting towards the way you want it to go.
Yeah.
Try it sometime.
Imagine if they say, but why would we want to insert this particular piece of code? And you go, because I'm happy, clap along.
Yeah.
Code along if you feel like this has to be the code.
Very good. So here's what we're going to do.
Yeah.
Since Faltrani is there with me today, she's a very creative genius. What?
What?
Nothing, no very bad. Look at the camera, people. Camera is right over there. That's the camera. That's the camera. Give the expression there. So, Balaji, the point is, if, for you to understand this, to make it easy for you guys, हम लोग phrase देंगे आपको, and you have to come with the song, and we'll give you a tune also. Faltrani is here to give you the tune for the particular phrase.
Huh.
Yeah, तो आपको उस tune में बुन के गाना पेश करना पड़ेगा हमें, right?
Okay.
That's your work.
Can you explain to them?
So,
like-
for instance, Faltrani,
Huh.
let's do this. Now, let's say a meeting is coming to a close.
Okay.
Right? What would you say? You would say, oh, thank you so much for, the meeting is coming to close right now. Don't forget to follow up on the action points and let's meet tomorrow. Wait for an email from me. If you were to say that in a filmy and how would you say it? Give a tune for it.
You want me to give the tune of the song, or should I give the actual?
Now you can give it the way. Now we give it as how it's supposed to be said with the words.
For instance.
Yeah.
अच्छा चलते हैं एक्शन पॉइंट्स याद रखना
आहा.
मेरे ईमेल का जरा तुम इंतजार करना कल के जूम मीटिंग में टाइम पे जरा पहुंच जाना
Log in करना.
लॉग इन करना देन what do you
कोई
want to say?
questions है तो
हाँ, कोई क्वेश्चंस है तो अभी तुम पूछ लेना
टाइम हो चला आई विल बी ड्रॉपिंग ऑफ वरना क्वेश्चन तेरे लेने के लिए तैयार है यार क्वेश्चन देना मेरे यार क्वेश्चन देना मेरे यार so basically the point is you got to be interesting that way right? Now you might say what it's so confusing I don't know participants very scary doesn't matter आप try तो करो यार give us a call हम questions भी देंगे और answer का आपको template भी दे देंगे आपको
एक्चुअली हम लोग आपको मीटिंग स्पीक देंगे
हाँ
यानी कि द लैंग्वेज जो यूज किया जाता है मीटिंग में वो हम आपको देंगे जरूर
Yeah.
आप चिंता ही ना करें एंड हम लोग ट्यून भी दे देंगे मतलब वील टेल यू और वी गोना गिव देम द ट्यून ऑफ द सॉन्ग
you're going to give it now you're
Yeah.
going to give she's going to pick the right tune for you guys
I'll try, Badhujan. If somebody knows a better tune, you can always call it. See, this is all about collaboration, right? This is the way we work, right, Altu Baba? Where we're brainstorming ideas and we're virtually online, on air, everywhere. We're creating synergy.
Okay, so here's the thing. I'll give you a phrase, Balajan. One of the phrases which I've seen many people use is, they say, oh, okay, fine. Further questions, or if you want to discuss anything more in detail, we can meet privately and you can send me an email.
If you want to discuss any further questions, we can take this offline.
Take it offline.
Yeah.
Discuss it privately.
Discuss privately.
Or you can send me an email. And you can send me an email. Is what they would say. Now, this particular statement ko aapko Badhujan, in a very nice way, you must present it to us. Think of it how we can stick it into a song and call us.
What song tune do you want to give, Altu Baba?
That's what you're going to give the Father. You're the creative one here,
What?
Fatrani.
No!
Kya?
What? It's very difficult. You can't put me on the spot like this, Altu Baba.
What?
Yeah.
What?
If you want to reach out to me, you want to talk offline. Okay,
Yeah.
if you have
if
any further
questions, we can talk offline.
हाँ. तो इसके लिए क्या बोल सकते हैं आलतू? तू बोलना please.
What, Fatrani? Okay, Badhujan, आप सोचो तब तक फालतू में she also requests some thinking because the processing का थोड़ा problem होता है. देखो उसका दिमाग देखो क्या घूम रहा है अभी.
एक काम करते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत कसरत वसरत करके एक्सरसाइज करके फिर आके वो सवाल का मतलब वो डायलॉग का मैं टून दूंगी, ठीक है? आप भी सोच लेना, थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना.
Okay, Badhujan. So here you go, Badhujan. We talked about talkies, Thursday talkies. Fatrani is like, oh my God, this guy's taking revenge on me. No, I'm not, Fatrani. I know your talent. I'm giving you all the opportunity to shine. Badhujan, the song I'm going to play for you guys is conversational. So, is Kane Messi, you can take out all kinds of tunes, by the way. So, the question we had for you was meeting conversation, which actually talks about the fact that if you have any further questions or any clarification or anything, you can call me privately and we can discuss over email. Okay? Ye statement ko, which generally happens in most of the meetings, you got to present it in a form of a song. कैसे करोगे? कॉल कीजिएगा 4089122479 पे 4089122479. जब तक तब तक, मतलब जब तक आज सोच लीजिएगा, हमें कॉल कर लीजिएगा, तब तक ये थोड़ा हमारे तरफ से सुन लीजिएगा. A conversational song, मतलब a talkies, Badhujan. Actual talkies song which I totally dig, where people are having a sweet conversation between accounts collections.
तुम हो खजाना, तुम हो मेरी जान ये माना, लेकिन पहले दे दो मेरा 5 रुपया 12 आना. 5 रुपया 12 आना, मारेगा भैया नाना नाना. क्या कहा दिल जिगर क्या है जवानी मांगो ना. तेरे लिए मजनू बन सकता हूँ, लैला लैला कर सकता हूँ, चाहे नमूना देख लो. खून दिल पीने को और लखते जिगर खाने को, खून दिल पीने को और लखते जिगर खाने को. ये ग़िज़ा मिलती है लैला, ये ग़िज़ा मिलती है लैला, तेरे दीवाने को, तेरे दीवाने को.
जोश उल्फत का ज़माना, लागे है कैसा सुहाना, लेके एक अंगड़ाई मुझ पे डाल नजर बन जा दीवाना.
मानता हूँ है सुहाना जोशे उल्फत का ज़माना, लेकिन पहले दे दो मेरा 5 रुपया 12 आना. 5 रुपया 12 आना, मारेगा भैया ना 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 ना।
हम भुला साज उठा राग मेरे रूप की तू गाए जहां।
हाय दिल रुबाए, हाय दिल रुबाए, हाँ इसी अंदाज से फरमाए जा। गीत सुना सकता हूँ दादरा गिन कर पूरे 12 मात्रा, चाहे नमूना देख लो। हाय धीरे से जाना बगियन में, धीरे से जाना बगियन में रे भंवरा, धीरे से जाना बगियन में। हो ये लल्ला डिंग लल्ला, हो ये लल्ला हाय।
तू कला का है दीवाना, क्या तुझको बहाना, लेके एक अंगड़ाई मुझ पे डाल नजर बन जा दीवाना।
हाँ ये अच्छा है बहाना, मैं कला का हूँ दीवाना, लेकिन पहले दे दो मेरा 5 रुपया 12 आना। 5 रुपया 12 आना, मारेगा भैया ना 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 ना।
बेखबर प्यार कर, धन की दुनिया क्या है ढलती छाया है।
हाय 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 दिल रुबा सच कहा, साच तेरा प्यार बाकी माया है। तेरे लिए जोगी बन सकता हूँ, जंगल जंगल फिर सकता हूँ, चाहे नमूना देख लो। हाय बुमक बिम बुमक बिम बुमक बुम बुमक। तेरी गठरी में लागा चोर मुसाफिर, जाग जरा तू जाग जरा। तेरी गठरी में लागा चोर मुसाफिर, जाग जरा तू जाग जरा। तेरी गठरी में लागा चोर चोर। जय गुरु मैंने ये माना, तू है मेरी जान जाना, लेकिन पहले दे दो मेरा 1 2 3 4 5 5 रुपया 12 आना।
5 रुपया 12 आना। And of course, बजान देखा कितना सिंपल था फाल्तू रानी। तो were you able to think of a nice tune for our bandus, फाल्तू रानी?
No, Alto Baba. I was not.
What were you doing all the while, फाल्तू रानी?
I don't know, Alto Baba. I
No.
was trying to figure something out on my computer.
Oh my God, you were figuring something out on computer. Okay, fine. Explain to our bandus what it's supposed to do.
Well, Banijan, today we're doing something called Thursday Talkies, where we decided that we're going to spice up meeting speak. So, you know, the usual stuff that we say during our Zoom, Google, WebEx meetings. Oh, hi. So, this is the agenda for the day. So, let's move on to the next item. You know, stuff like that. And if somebody has, do you have any follow-up? I have a follow-up question with regard to that. Or let's table that for now. These are all the typical meeting speak that you hear. And what we are doing today is we are going to give you those meeting dialogues,
Yeah.
the speak, and then you have to see how you can spice it up, like add a filmy flavor to it. Like you could pick some song's tune that has sort of a relevance to that particular topic.
Yeah, yeah.
You don't have to pick a song that you know will have the words that mean this. I mean, how will you find a song that will say let's table that for now? तो आपको कुछ और अभी मतलब एक ट्यून लगाना है and you have to say that let's table that
Okay,
for now
here's
in a
the-
nice filmy flavor.
एक आइडिया दूंगा आप लोगों को। There's a very beautiful song of Rajesh Khanna and Sharmila Tagore, I suppose. No, Sharmila Tagore. Asha Parekh. अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं.
हाँ.
It's conversational. वो गाना लगाऊंगा, लेकिन उस ट्यून में सोचो आप और बताओ कि how will that particular meeting phrase
हाँ.
fit into this particular song which you can present to us.
The meeting phrase that he is talking about is okay. That's all we have for now. If you have any other further questions, you can connect with me offline.
That's right.
And those are the words that what you will need to use in the Acha To Hum Chalte Hain tune.
That's right, Balajan.
So you could say it in Hindi, you could do it in English, you could do it in
Doesn't
English.
matter,
It
doesn't
doesn't matter. Just try to
long as
see
the-
how you can sing it in a song.
As long as the point gets across, right?
Yeah.
And right now, if you hear music in the background, means we have to get across a point right now. We have to get into our interview segment, which is going to be with Prajwala Darog regarding, Balajan, about how we can actually stay healthy. And this is a wellness coach, and she is with Brighton Light Wellness, Balajan. So we have her with us online right now. Prajwala ji, namaste. Kaise hain aap? Welcome to the Pam Pam Show. Hi.
भोला भाला सीधा साधा ले
Oh, sorry, we have to get her audio on right now, Banjan. So just give me a second. Hi, Prajwala ji, welcome. How are you doing? Hello, Prajwala ji, can you hear us? Prajwala,
You might need to unmute yourself. Prajwala ji, are you able to hear us?
Yes.
oh,
Hi.
there you go. Wonderful, wonderful. How are you doing, Prajwala ji?
Good. How are you guys doing?
We're doing good, and of course, I see that you're working with the shelter in place as of now. Still,
Yeah.
is it good? Like, are you being a good citizen and following all the rules of wearing a mask when you go for grocery store and everything?
I am.
Very good. That's nice. So, Baljan, right now, let me tell you, if you have any questions for Prajwala, you can give us a call here right now. Our lines are open, and she's right here with us from Brighton Light Wellness. Faltwani is daring to go with the question.
No, I was going to say that for those of you who are joining us for the very first time and who don't know, if you don't know who Prajwala Darog Kashyap is, she is a wellness coach, Madhujan, and she is somebody who helps many of our bandhus and supports them in leading a bright and well lifestyle. So if you are somebody who is looking for that coach to be able to tell you what kind of food you should be eating, is the food that you're eating right now the right kind of food, because a lot of it is what you put into your body. And at the same time, if you're looking for somebody to also give you ideas as to how you can maintain a good fitness regime, that's another thing, that regimen that you definitely can reach out to Prajwala Darog Kashyap from Brighton Light Wellness. I don't know if you already have spoken about Prajwala's Instagram posts and the IGTV posts that she does, where she's doing a lot of the fitness. What do you call it? It's a fitness challenge, right, Praj? That's what you call it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. A 4-week fitness challenge.
The 4-week fitness challenge.
Yeah,
where,
so Faltwani already is on the wagon there, right? Faltwani, I thought you already are on the 4-week fitness challenge thing. She said, no, I'm not going to post anything on social media until I win it. I was like, what?
what I win? What? I mean, okay, I don't know about the fitness challenge, but yes, I have started incorporating just a little bit extra activity into my lifestyle. That's all.
Oh, really?
Good. That's good.
I'm so proud of you, Faltwani. Right now, you just make me feel, mere to rongte khada ho gaye.
It's thanks to the constant guilt tripping that Altu Baba keeps doing for me.
Doesn't
and
matter, Fatani. I am learning to be a nice wellness coach from Prajwala, right, Prajwala? You got to be on top of it, inspiring them at every step. So it's nice that I'm inspiring you, Fatani. I know you like it that way.
Yeah. So what do you have for us today, Praj? We'd love to hear from you and learn more.
Sure. If you guys want to continue with the fitness challenge topic that we were talking about last time,
Yeah.
I thought I will demonstrate 2 or 3 exercises here live.
Okay.
But either Altu or both of you have to do it with me.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Yeah, I think Faltwani can handle it.
It's
Yes, yes.
not going to be intense. Don't worry. It's something simple. So one thing that people have been telling me is that, Raj, I don't even have like 10 minutes a day to work out. My whole intention here when I started this fitness challenge is to help people, because people are sitting down in front of their computers working all day, and it's important for them to, get their heart rate up, to, strengthen their muscles. So my goal here is to get them off the couch and help them at least do 10 minutes of workouts every day.
Oh wow. Okay.
And it's simple, basic, beginner level workouts that people can do any time of the day. They just need 10 minutes of their day. That's all it takes
10 minutes.
to get your heart pumping. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, 10 minutes. I mean, some of the workouts are even less than 10 minutes. So each routine that I have on my Instagram are like 3-minute routines. Okay, so you can do two sets of those routines or 3 sets of routines based on your fitness level. Now, if it is one set that is you can do, then that's still fine. It's something. Something is better than nothing, right?
Right.
So it's about getting up and doing it. And you can do this anywhere. You can go to your backyard and do it. You can do it in your living room while watching TV. You can do it while you are in a meeting. I mean, of course, have it on mute, but you can still do it. And it's easy to incorporate these easy routines into your everyday life.
Wow.
So that is my intention behind starting this fitness challenge. And but even with all this, I've had people tell me that, Raj, I still don't have time to make fitness a part of my life. And let's face it, we live in the Bay Area. It's a fast-paced life. We have to keep up with all the external stresses and everything. But exercise is really important. It helps release endorphins, which are happy hormones, and we could all use some of that right now, especially in this stressful, uncertain situation that we are in.
Right.
So, I mean, when people say that to me, right, that they don't have 3 to 5 minutes a day to exercise as such, I just tell them one thing, make exercise a part of your life. Like, you can do this while you are in the kitchen waiting for your dog to cook.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm listening.
Yeah.
This is something which is very practical. Yeah.
Yeah, and I do this when I'm homeschooling my kid.
Uh-huh.
In between work meetings, I use that 10 minutes to, just recenter and do this quick workout so I feel refreshed.
Uh-huh.
It's that easy to incorporate. It's just about learning to know how you can incorporate this into your lifestyle.
That's right. And of course, Bajaj, if you have any questions regarding this, you can always give us a call here. The lines for the studio are open right now. You can give us a call. If you're on Facebook, Facebook live feed is going on where we have the phone number also listed right there. And we have Prachur right there, bang on in the screen right in that place. So you can actually get to talk to her directly. You can ask her questions if you wanted. What I also would suggest is if at all right now, pay attention to this because we had requested Prachur if she can provide us some, some simple... what should I say, exercise or workouts which you can actually, people can try to test out, because I know Prachula actually not only is a wellness coach, she also is a yoga practitioner. She also is somebody who dabbles into Ayurveda and everything, but because she also is a nutritionist. That's one of the things of a particular wellness coach is the fact that they are pretty much like an all-rounder who you can actually engage to help you get on a healthy lifestyle. Am I saying it right, Prachula?
Yeah, healthy lifestyle.
That's true. So it's about getting into a healthy lifestyle as opposed to getting, I want to start exercising, I want to lose weight. Yeah, lose weight is important, but most importantly, if you have listened to all these segments wherein we have Prajula come on, she talks about leading a healthy life as opposed to targeting or setting up nice goals, smart goals which you can achieve, as opposed to trying to set up goals that are totally non-realistic.
Yeah.
So Prajula, do we get to actually learn some exercise with you today?
Yeah, sure. Actually, I'm going to do like super basic beginner level exercise.
Okay.
This is simpler than the ones that I've posted on my Instagram or YouTube.
Thank you. I want to start off simple.
Also, because so many people requested, I have added all the exercises onto my YouTube channel as well.
Very
so
good.
People can just stream it on their TV and do it.
Yes, so what we're going to do right now, we can stream it on your TV, Balanjan, because we're on Facebook Live. We're also going to be on YouTube. So here you go. Are you ready for the exercise thing, Prajula? So Prajula, in the meanwhile, she gets ready. Let me tell you one thing. Agar aapko koi questions hai, to you can actually give us a call here right now, 408-912-2479. We actually have the lines open. By the time she gives us some kind of, sets up the stage for us to be able to see the exercise and learn more from it. You guys can also ask us calls. I'm going to be screening the calls just a few minutes. So call कीजिएगा 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. So let's head back to Prachula and see if we are ready with some of the exercise move which we can learn from her right now. Banjan. See, it's so interesting, right? We are
Right.
on radio, so we actually going to be doing a live element where people can view it.
Yes.
Right? And thank you, Prajula, for actually
Yeah,
experimenting with
this
this.
is so
So let's do this, Banjan. So, dekho, ye sab, everything is happening for people's homes. So it's more of something which is, we are using technology like Zoom. And coming back to the theme what we're talking about in the show, because another 5 minutes we're going to go back into our theme, where we're talking about, conversational things, how we can actually get those meeting speeches, right? Which
Yeah.
which you can convert them into songs to make it interesting. You can do this exercise while you're in the meeting also, by the way, is what I have got feedback from Prajala. We're going to be going back into your screen right now. Banjan, here you go. She's right there. So, Prajala, please go away. Take it away. You're talking about a simple exercise which you can do sitting at home or while in those
Yes.
Zoom meetings. Yes, go ahead, please.
Yes. So you might not be able to see my head because I don't know where to place my
Don't worry.
phone.
We actually are zooming out so we can see the entire screen. Yes, go ahead, please.
Okay. So so I have a chair right here with me.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So just make sure you have a sturdy chair, something that doesn't have wheels, something that doesn't move.
Okay.
So just hold on to your chair. Okay. So 3 simple exercises.
Okay.
Okay. So first we're gonna do some squats. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip my chair around so it looks like this. Okay.
Okay.
So the first squat, what we are gonna do is, I'm sorry, did you say something?
No, please continue. Continue.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is stand with our feet hip distance apart. Okay?
Okay.
And with our back nice and tall, so you're not leaning forward or leaning back. Okay? Hands wherever you're comfortable keeping them. So what you're gonna do is suck your stomach in and try to go down as though you're sitting on this chair.
Okay. So,
Okay? And then slowly get back up.
so you don't sit actually, but you just go down to level as you're trying to sit, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, as though you're trying to sit. Yeah.
Okay.
So you're not sitting on the chair, but you're using that as you're just taking the help of your chair
Okay.
to make sure that you're not,
Half sitting.
squatting forward like this, but
Yeah.
you're squatting back like that.
Okay, squatting back. Okay, cool. That's right. So you got to keep your backside protruded outside. Yeah, okay, cool. That's fine. Okay, continue.
Protrude back.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
So as though you're sitting on a chair. You know, how would you sit on a chair? You would sit on a chair like this, right?
Uh-huh.
Nobody sits on a chair like that.
Yeah, correct.
So you go back and you sit on a chair like this.
Okay,
Okay?
okay.
So, but in this case, you're not sitting, you're just squatting down
Uh-huh.
and then getting back up.
Okay.
Okay.
Down and up. So you're going to do like 8 repetitions of that.
Okay. And did you
Now,
say?
if-
Yeah. Okay. Go on, please. Yeah.
If you cannot sit all the way back, that's still fine. Go as low as your body allows you to.
Okay. Okay.
Okay? So if this is all you can go, that's totally fine.
Okay.
Over a period of time, you're going to build the strength and the flexibility to go lower.
Okay.
Do your knees hurt?
So when okay, you got a good point there.
If
So,
you're
yeah, if the knees are hurting, then what do we do? Is that a fix or is there some kind of a safety thing which you can share with us? Let's say people have weak knees and yeah.
Yes. So just go as low as your body permits you to. The most important thing here is to suck your core in.
Okay.
Because what we do is we forget about our core. That is what is helping you to balance right now. Okay?
Okay.
And the second thing is one of the mistakes that people make while squatting is that they squat like this and their knee is
Ah.
usually
Going forward.
going forward, beyond the toes. So the important thing is to make sure that your knees are directly over your ankle. So if I can show you, it's like this and not like this.
That's true. So, well, that's pretty evident, and thank you so much for doing this, Prajula. In fact, we can see exactly what mistakes people are doing, and you're right about the fact that the knee generally tends to go forward, right? And that's when you're actually not extending
Yeah.
your core. Okay. So, Prajula,
Yeah.
sorry, and thank you so much. This is one exercise. So, are you going to demonstrate one more for us?
Yeah, the super simple, easiest exercise ever.
Uh huh.
So this one again works your hips and it strengthens your glutes and your legs and everything. So what you're going to do is again have, place your hands on a firm. You can do this on your kitchen countertop as well.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so while you're waiting for your instant pot to cook or whatever, instant pot to make rice or whatever, you can just stand,
Okay.
tuck your core in again, just lean a little bit forward,
Okay.
and then lift your leg up. 1,
Nice. Okay.
2, 3, 4,
Lift
5.
Legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lift your leg up like that.
So is there how far you can go, or is it got to go really back?
I mean, if you can go all the way, that's good. But if you can, to begin with, you can just do this.
So these are pretty much simple workouts, and is it something which anybody can do it, Prajwala, or is it somebody specifically trying to lose weight do it, or people are trying to build muscle
No.
in the no?
Yeah, so basically, when we strengthen our body, it's really good for us. We get stronger, right? Our muscles get tighter.
Yeah.
And that's a good thing. So strengthening also is really good for your blood sugar levels. So when your body is basically using all the excess fat it has to build that muscle.
Interesting.
So yeah.
Wonderful.
So
In
you
fact,
just these are some simple things you can do
So this you
right
said.
in your kitchen.
So you said that this when you said 8 sets, and you said no. How many sets? You said 8 times and 2 sets or 3 sets.
It depends on your fitness levels.
Okay, wonderful.
If you can do one today, you do one. Then 3 days later, if you're doing one for 3 days, then by the second day, third or fourth day, you have the stamina to push yourself to do another set of this.
Interesting. So Faltwani is actually very good at the second exercise because she keeps kicking me behind always. So
I'm actually doing it right now.
kicking me. Yes, she always is kicking me. I don't know why. Faltwani, stop it. Turn around. And but this is very interesting, right? So I hope Bandhus are able to take benefit of this because it's excellent way Prajwala is trying to show to us that we can do exercise, incorporate exercises into our lifestyle, I should say, or daily living. And that's the beauty about having a wellness coach, because exercise तो होता ही है. We understand, okay, exercise जाके gym जाना ही exercise नहीं होता है. And that's the beauty about working with professionals like Prajwala, who actually can incorporate that exercise element into your life itself, which can become part of your life automatically. And if you want to consult with her or want to meet somebody from the team of Bright and Light Wellness, you can go to the website brightandlightwellness.com, brightandlightwellness.com, and register and ask for an appointment with Prajwala. And you don't have to. I don't know how is your meeting schedule? Do you because COVID-19 shelter place? Do you also offer online meeting, Prajwala, with your clients?
Yes. Yeah.
So there you go.
So it's all going to be virtual.
It's virtual meeting. So the best part of the assessment, and I know some bandhus who actually have used the services of Bright Light Wellness, and they actually swear by it because incorporating into what you like to eat, based on what your lifestyle is, what your culture is, Prajwala is able to actually prescribe a set of exercises and diet also for you, which will benefit you reaching the goal which you have set for yourself. So definitely contact them, brightandlightwellness.com. Again, that's brightandlightwellness.com. Any questions, Faltwani?
I just wanted to ask one question, Praj. Is the second exercise that you told us, are you supposed to lift it and bring your leg back, or is it just something that's is that considered one rep, or is it something that you just hold? You lift and you hold.
So let me show you. No. You don't hold. So you just stand like this. Okay. Suck your core in, and then just go up and down. Bring your leg back down on the floor.
Okay.
So it's just like one and tap. One, tap.
Got it.
Two, tap. So now if this is all you can go, that's still fine.
Yeah. Okay.
So the goal is to get your leg off the floor and then bring it back. So you're toning your hips, you're toning your glutes, you're strengthening your legs. So yeah, so you can do a lot more activities.
Wonderful. And of course, Bhajan, if you liked what you just now have learned on this particular show, you can post on our Facebook page for sure. And as I told you, you can reach out to Prajwala through her Instagram or Facebook for the matter. It's it's Prajwala the Rogue on Instagram, right? Am I right about
at Prajwala the Rogue.
Yes. And also
Yeah.
on Facebook, the same thing, Prajwala the Rogue. And even the YouTube, let me guess, it's Prajwala the Rogue.
Yeah.
On YouTube?
Yes.
No, Facebook is Bright and Light Wellness.
Bright and Light
Instagram handle is at Prajwala the Rogue, and YouTube is Prajwala the Rogue.
See,
Yeah.
I was right the last time at least. But yeah, right now we got to post information for you guys. So here as well, Prajwala, I want to thank you. In fact, we did ask her last time to see if we can do some demonstration exercises. These are pretty much good exercises to strengthen your core. Well, Faltrani,
Yeah.
you got to have a strong core.
Yeah.
You're going to have it anyways because you kick me so much.
And I'm also going to develop some nice glutes. You watch, Panajan.
Yeah.
You watch. I'll show you. I was actually doing the exercise while Praj was telling us to do
she's
it.
always that way. She's got a very strong root. She reminds me of a donkey. She keeps kicking behind it. So that's good, Prajwala. Keep it up.
Acha.
But Prajwala, thank you so much. Any going away thoughts for our bandhus? Anything you want to say to our bandhus before you leave?
Well, exercise well. Now that the weather is warming up, it's going to be a beautiful weekend. So if you can, maybe go hiking or exercise outdoors. Eat healthy, make healthy. If you're cooking a lot at home, try to cook healthier.
Right.
Yeah, and sleep well. Now's the time to sleep.
Huh? I heard that loud and clear. Now is the time to sleep. And, Prajwala,
Yeah, because you're not commuting anywhere, right? You have more time on your hands to
That's true,
catch
that's
up on those
that's true. And
extra
again,
hours of sleep.
yes,
Yeah.
thank you so much, Prajwala, for coming on air and sharing this with us. And but then you can catch this on our Facebook page, facebook.com/Radio D Hotties. Prajwala, we hope to talk to you same time, not next Thursday, Thursday after next. How about that?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Stay
Yeah.
safe, stay well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And that was Prajwala Darokashyap from Bright and Light Wellness Manajan. She's a wellness coach and a nutritionist as well. So if you want to get in touch with her, you can go to brightandlightwellness.com. Right now, we're going to go into a quick top of the hour break. Hello, Vijay Lakshmi ji. Nice to see you joining us on Facebook. Anil Parashar ji. Nice to see you also joining us on Facebook. Anna Sharma ji. Nice to see you there. Thank you so much for joining us. And many of our other bandhus, whoever's joining us on Facebook, thank you. Please put a comment in there so that we can acknowledge you on the air as well. So we will be bringing back the Thursday talkies in the next hour. We had given you a question. The question was how to filmy-size the meeting speak, which is okay. I guess the meeting is coming to an end. If you have any further questions, we can take this offline. Please connect with me offline. And the tune that Altu had given you was Acha To Hum Chalte Hain. You should try to see how you can make up some words which will incorporate the meaning of what we just shared, the meeting speak. If you have further questions, you can contact me offline. The meeting is coming to an end in this particular tune, Acha To Hum Chalte Hain. So think about it. Call us in the next hour, 408-912-2479. We will see you right after this break. We hope you're loving the music, the best music with the best entertainment. You know where it keeps getting hotter, and that's Radio D Hotties. And मैं आपकी फालतू रानी सुनते रहिएगा. There's more lovely music that we've lined up for you. Total D Hottie picks.
Hi, this is Anushka Sharma. You're listening to me on Radio De Hotties with Altu Baba and Faltu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
ਕਰ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਫਿਰੇ ਚੱਲਾ ਕੇ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਫਿਰੇ रंग सतरंगी दे बुलबुला दी बोली ओप गए पैरी चले छावनी लै डोली रंग सतरंगी रंगी दे बुलबुला दी बोली ओप गए पैरी चले छावनी ਬੱਦਲਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਚੰਨ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਗੂੰਗੀਆਂ ਹਵਾਵਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਾਜਾਂ ਸੁਣਦਾ ਯਾਰੋ ਆਸੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਵਸਦਾ ਏ ਯਾਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂਆਂ ਸੁਣਦਾ ਚੱਲਾ ਕੇ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਫਿਰੇ ਚੱਲਾ ਕੇ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਫਿਰੇ ਯਾਰੋ ਦਾ ਘਰ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਫਿਰੇ ਚੱਲਾ ਕੇ ਲੱਭਦਾ ਫਿਰੇ
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Top of the morning, Bay, with Good Morning Bay.
Get to know about the traffic on your way and what's news around the world today.
Some wisdom skills along the way.
Oh, and a song to hum along with and sway.
Get your perfect entertaining start to the day.
At 9 a.m. every weekday morning with
Mahima's
Good Morning Bay.
Here is a bright and light wellness tip.
To feel bright and light when you wake up in the morning, start your day off with a glass of warm water as opposed to your coffee or chai. Hi, I'm Prajwala from Bright and Light Wellness.
That was Wellness Coach Prajwala. To learn more about how Bright and Light Wellness can help you reach your health goals, visit brightandlightwellness.com or call 408-982-7725. That's 408-982-7725.
అవునమ్మా అవును తెలుగు పాటలే ఇలాంటి ఎన్నో మస్తు మస్తు సాంగ్స్ మన రేడియో డి హోటీస్ యాప్ లో రోజు వస్తున్నాయి. అలాగే మన బే ఏరియాలో మొట్టమొదటి తెలుగు షో సండే సందడిలో ప్రతి ఆదివారం నేను మీ హోస్ట్ ఫీబీ సందడి చేస్తూ మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ అలరింప చేయడానికి వస్తున్నాను.
హలో టైము
తెలీదేటే పుద్దుగంకి నాకు 7 నుండి 8 పా అబ్బా 7 to 8 PM సండే ఈవినింగ్.
అబ్బా కడుపు నిండిపోయింది బంగారం.
Hi, this is Akshay Kumar and you are listening to me on Radio D Hotties with Altu Baba and Paltu Rani, where entertainment keeps getting hotter.
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam bam.
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam bam. Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam bam.
Bye-bye. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadid.
Assalamualaikum.
Satyakal.
Meekandariki vandanamu.
Jai Swami Narayan.
जय श्री कृष्णा.
Jai Janendra.
हमारे इस्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद.
मौला अली मतलब बोलते सारे फीचर बंधुओं को बोलेंगे निसाम बोला बरजान. हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे massive all to the babus.
Babus only, he is caboose. Oh, sorry, caboose is something else. I was like,
Caboose something else? What is our caboose?
caboose means
What-
caboose. Never mind. I
Don't
wanna
underestimate
say-
the power of a caboose there.
That is the last bogie on the train, right? Caboose.
I don't know, Fatani.
that's
You
what
should
it
know
is.
all these things.
That's-
I'm very innocent fellow.
Haven't you seen Barney?
No, I haven't seen Barney.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Okay,
Sorry.
but it doesn't matter. Barney को ये देखती रहती है. I don't know what Barney she watches. My
Anyway,
God.
मैं आपकी डाली प्यारी फालतू रानी बन जाती.
अरे
He's Altu
सबको मालूम है
Babus.
सबको मालूम है फालतू डजंट मैटर फाइन. तो मुझे आज लगता है आज का टॉपिक तो the talk is people चकमा खा गए. Be like what? Can we change those things in meetings? Because I know Bajaj, I don't know about you, but I definitely tell you Mati Fatwadi. These meetings, have you noticed me Fatwadi? I turn the screen off in those meetings.
Huh?
Yeah, of course,
Yeah,
you're
I've
seeing.
seen.
And everybody complain. I say I have an issue with the screen and everything. No issue with screen. I'll be sleeping. Boring meetings. Literally.
That's right, Manjan.
Dry, boring meetings. Like
One day I'm
everybody-
going to go unmute his phone. You'll know exactly what I'm talking about.
You cannot unmute the phone for the Faltani because this meeting. I know the meetings is so boring. Yeah, nothing is interesting. Yeah, Faltani. If it were to be interesting meetings, I definitely participate.
Well, देखो यार, see, once in a while, it's fine, you know. But imagine if you have to be on meetings all day long.
My God, Faltani, please don't give us kind of scares.
People are in meetings all day long. I'm not kidding you. It's like, see, when you're at a workplace, okay,
Because
you
when
walk out
meetings
of your
happen,
queue.
Faltani, you know, have a philosophy, right?
What?
When meetings happens, work is not happening.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Now you know.
Oh God. Okay.
What?
I just saw a breaking news item. I thought it was something from like, you know, fake news or Borowitz report or something like that.
Uh-huh.
But it's not. It says Trump suggests injection of a disinfectant to beat the coronavirus and clean the lungs, it seems.
Why do you laugh at that?
Yo!
Supreme leader has given some idea at
Oh
least.
God.
Other supreme leaders, what are they doing? One person is fallen sick or they're getting kidney whatever infection.
It is actually legitimate news, Panjab.
I know it is, but why do you laugh at it? Finally, it'll be they'll be thinking, finally there'll be injection coming in, which will
Oh
clear all
my
systems.
God.
Fatani, don't underestimate the power of our supreme leader. My God. Coming back to the point, I'm sure he had discussion over Zoom, right?
Huh?
Misinterpretation.
Huh.
That's why when you have dry conversation, Zoom interview, Zoom or online things, all boring.
Yeah.
So today we're gonna spice things up. Fatani,
Huh.
you know, before we went to the break, we actually had a question for our bandhus, right? Which was
I
that?
think we'll have to give them an example again.
Yeah, so give me the thing. No, what is the wording?
The verbiage was okay. So the meeting's coming to a close. I have to call this meeting to a close. If you have any further questions, I suggest we take it offline. You can email me
Yeah.
afterwards.
So the song could be easy, Faldrani.
Huh.
अच्छा तो चल चलते हैं कोई क्वेश्चंस है तो मुझे ईमेल करना रे टेंग 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 टेंग
प्रास में बैठना चाहिए. अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं.
प्रास नहीं त्रास में बैठना
Wait,
चाहिए.
wait. कोई questions है तो मुझे email कर दो.
हाँ कहाँ बैठा वो
हाँ?
कहाँ बैठा वो
हाँ?
कौन से ईमेल पे
मेरे email पे.
नहीं तो फिर मुझे जाना है कहीं
नहीं.
And but that simple देखा कितना अच्छा हो गया meeting becomes so exciting right now.
I
So,
know.
let's go to the next one, Faldrani.
Ah.
I'm thinking of one thing which many people actually say it very okay. Or, doesn't it come to mind? You attend so many meetings in a day.
Yes.
What, at least around 0 meetings or what?
No man, God.
6 meetings in a day?
At the very minimum, at least 4 meetings. A day.
4 meetings. So you can imagine what nothing gets done in our case. The point is work. The meetings get done though.
It is meetings because I cannot meet them in person, Altu Baba. So I have to get on a thing, and there's so many people discussing so many things. Yeah.
Okay, what are some things comes to mind for you at least?
One thing that comes to mind, Altu Baba, is you know, like somebody will suggest an idea, right? And then there is this whole pushback against that idea. So the moderator.
Oh, there will be somebody coming with a creative idea.
Yeah. This person will be giving this idea, but then, you know, this is what's so aggravating for me when they say, I hear you. What the hell do you mean by I hear you? Anyway, that's not nice speak at
Hey,
all.
by the way,
I
it's
don't
very
think
rude to say that, you know.
Yeah, they say,
I hear you.
What
Like,
the hell do you mean by I hear you?
It's like, you know,
Listen
you're
to me.
patronizing somebody.
Yeah, I hear you, but you know there are some protocols in place. Or I hear you, but we need to check with. They'll totally put the blame on somebody else. They'll shift responsibility to senior management, or they will
Sure.
say we need to check with the district, or we need
Hey,
to check with somebody
But
else.
sometimes the ideas other person proposing also be atrocious. So this one, the situation is from the point of view, you hear a very atrocious idea and you got to tell them a very nice way. I hear you, but protocols are in place, so we
Yeah.
can't do it.
Yeah.
How do you say that particular? I hear you, but protocols are in place which keeps us from doing what you're asking to do. How do you say that in a nice way, in a
In
song
a
way?
song way, how would you say that?
that was very
आपको गा के सुनाना पड़ेगा. You can sing it in Hindi, you can use English, whatever. Should we give them a song too?
Hi, there's a nice song from Ashiki too.
Which one, man? Ashiki, tum hi ho, is it?
No. सुन रहा है ना तू रो रही हूँ मैं.
Ah,
But you got to change a little bit of that. But सोच के आप कॉल करो बन जाए.
use that tune, Banjan. Na 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 na.
हाँ.
Na 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 na.
Na 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 na. देखा हमने एक ट्यून भी दे दिया आप लोगों को. It's very simple. I hear you, but protocols are in place that we cannot do this thing.
Yeah, we just want you to have fun, yeah. Come on,
Come
pick
on.
up
Hey,
the
hello.
phone.
49s and callers here.
Yes.
Right?
408-912-2479. ये है
Banjan,
आपके लिए स्टूडियो का नंबर.
Yes, and don't worry, Banjan. Conversational don't think that you can't be creative, because when you enjoy some of the Indian songs, you understand
Yeah.
that majority of the songs written thus far in the recent times are all just talks.
Exactly.
There's no pras in it, only tras.
Like for instance, right, we gave you an example, very classic example we gave you in the previous hour, right? We gave you a situation where we said, suppose you have to open a meeting. Everybody will say, oh, thank you everybody for joining us in this meeting. That kind of thing. So how would you flavorfully say that? Okay, here is the agenda for the meeting. I'm presenting the meeting agenda. How would you say that? Well, we gave you an example of how that would work.
Correct. But we have callers over here, Father, who are going to call right now and try to see if they can guess or try to add those words into the tunes.
Awesome, Ray. Very good.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के Thursday Talkies में. Who's this?
Hello, Pam Pam.
Hi, this is Anna.
Anna
Hi,
जी.
Anna ji. Pam Pam.
कैसे हैं आप? How are you
Yes,
doing?
sir.
Very good. Anna जी, तो बताइए, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Very good. आज का Thursday Talkies पे आपका हार्दिक मतलब साफ सुथरा स्वागत है.
धन्यवाद.
तो आप तो काफी सारे मीटिंग्स में गए हो ऑनलाइन, करेक्ट? तो ये एक फ्रेज है मीटिंग का जो जनरली होता है. फालतू ने क्या फ्रेज था वो?
आपके लिए फ्रेज वो था कि I hear you, but we need to table that for now. I mean, because we need to talk to senior management.
So the first phase was already over.
हाँ, तो आपको गाने के माध्यम में बोलना पड़ेगा उसको.
नहीं, आपने जो पहला फेज दिया था कोई
कौन सा वाला?
वो मीटिंग वाला क्या था, ऑफलाइन वाला.
हाँ, उसको भी चलेगा. बोलो.
उसको नहीं बोला नहीं. उसका भी चलेगा, आप बोलो.
अच्छा, उसका करते हैं, थोड़ा सा ट्राई करते हैं.
श्योर.
अच्छा, तो मीटिंग एंड करते हैं. क्वेश्चन कब पूछेंगे जब भी तुम चाहोगे. क्वेश्चन कब पूछेंगे जब भी तुम चाहोगे. हाँ. ओहो, hold on.
ऑफलाइन ले क्या? Something like that.
आके लाइन नहीं आती मुझे गाने की. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन कब पूछोगे जब भी तुम चाहोगे. आपके बंगलों में ना यही ऑफिस में. अरे कॉल करना ऑफलाइन. अरे कॉल करना ऑफलाइन. 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479.
Very nice. Very
nice.
I hope somebody in the world uses this particular idea in the meeting. It is
Correct.
so nice. At least one meeting in the entire world will be so nice.
And let me tell you, in the Bay Area, a lot of the techie meetings, most of them are Indians on the call. I have heard people like speaking in Telugu and English, in Tamil and all that on the call. Can you believe it?
Really? Okay. So what, Father? It doesn't matter. better, right?
Yeah, Hindi and all they speak on the call. So you imagine if you belt out a song in between.
So beautiful it will be. Very good. Anarji, I totally give you 10,000 points for creativity right there.
Wow.
And another 1,000
10,000.
points. Another 1,000 points for bravery.
Yeah.
For calling on this particular show. आज का शो मैंने बताया कि बहुत मुश्किल है लोगों को कॉल करने के लिए.
अरे मुश्किल नहीं है, कॉल करने के लिए बहुत इजी है.
खर्च चाहिए.
तो आपको कैसा लगा है ना जी?
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. I think I commented on it. Yes, so
Yes,
fantastic.
Oh
Thank you,
yes,
thank you.
thank you
और
so
थोड़ा
much.
ऐसे फ्रेज से सोच के आप कॉल कर सकते हो वापस, ओके?
हाँ,
Sure.
वो वाला सोचा आपने जो हमने अभी दिया था वो
बताओ ना अभी
वो
कॉल
कौन सा कौन सा था वो?
like you know somebody suggests an idea and आपको तभी decision नहीं लेना है, like आप कहोगे कि oh
Yes.
okay I hear you but we need to
Okay.
check with senior management or we protocol के हिसाब से we have to wait.
Okay, I will get back to you.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
And मैंने ट्यून भी दिया था आपको. वो गाना है आशिकी 2 का.
हाँ.
La 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 la
ये गाना ही नहीं आता. चलो ठीक है.
But doesn't matter. No. You don't have to put this Ghana only. Any Ghana will be fine as long as you put the words in there. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so much for calling us. बरंजन आपको कॉल करना पड़ेगा 4089122479. मैं कहना चाहता फालतू रानी कि पिछले बार before you actually started explaining about the whole topic again.
Right.
मैं बोलना चाहता था कि people should not be worried that they can't get it.
क्या?
Because हर एक गाना मतलब every other Ghana in Indian cinema is just that only conversation. हमारे lyricists क्या लिखते हैं कि नहीं मालूम है, लेकिन हमारे lyricists become wonderful dialogue writers,
हाँ.
right?
हाँ,
Like
correct.
for instance, एक very super गाना है which talks about the likings of a girl.
The likings of a girl.
That's all. The guy is telling the DJ to just make sure that it
हाँ,
plays
आजकल के जो गाने बन रहे हैं बहुत सारे ऐसे गाने हैं जहाँ पे सीधे साधे रेगुलर डे टू डे कोलोकियल स्पीक में है.
सिंपल एंड यहाँ तक गाली भी है बरंजन. मिसाल के तौर पे ये गाना सुनो, थोड़ा इंस्पायर हो जाओ, कॉल करो 4089122479. इसमें बोलता है हे डीजे बेबी को बेस पसंद है.
भाव में तेजी रैन पढ़ान गड़ जाट उठाए उसके तो नखरे जी वो लिखी पड़ी वो लाल छड़ी वो हुक्म करे बस खड़ी खड़ी अरे बाराया सा जाट करे बस है जी रे.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स बच्चन देखा कितना सिंपल है. डायलॉग आ गया इसमें.
बेबी को बेस पसंद है.
अभी आए नहीं है फादर. लेट्स गो टू द वेटिंग लाइन. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम में. हु इज दिस?
पैम पैम.
हां खड़ा साहब.
Oh, कैसे
वेरी
हैं
गुड.
सर?
बिल्कुल ठीक. आप सुनाइए कैसे हो?
मैं तो फर्स्ट क्लास हूँ. फालतू रानी भी साथ में चल रही है तो वो भी फर्स्ट क्लास होगी.
ठीक है, फर्स्ट क्लास ही चाहिए अभी.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. तो
हाँ,
बताइए
बिल्कुल.
आपको आज का टॉपिक के बारे में. यू गॉट टू गिव अस अ सॉन्ग और अदर एक फ्रेज को सॉन्ग के तौर पे कन्वर्ट करना.
हाँ, उन्होंने सुना होगा इसीलिए कॉल किया है आलतू.
वेरी गुड. तो बता दीजिए.
सबसे पहले तो ऐना जी को प्यार भरी नमस्कार
आहा.
और सारे लिसनर्स को. एंड मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा ऐना जी रॉक.
Oh, so sweet. हाँ.
गाना या फ्रेज कोई भी इतना सुरीला गा सकता है. जो फोन नंबर उन्होंने इतना सुरीला ना गाया
हाँ.
वो बहुत अच्छा.
सही
वो
है.
टच बहुत अच्छा था जी.
अग्रीड अग्रीड.
हाँ,
आप भी
बिल्कुल.
करो, आप भी ट्राई करो.
हाँ.
मैं ट्राई नहीं कर सकता, आपको पता है मैं सिंगर नहीं हूँ.
चल,
मैंने
डांस
सिर्फ
करो.
यही बोलने के लिए फोन किया है.
हाँ.
और आपने कहा आज कोई फोन नहीं करेगा
हाँ.
तो मैंने वो जिंक्स भी तोड़ा है.
अरे नहीं तो ट्राई मारो ना, इतना इजी है.
कितना इजी है यार.
इतना इजी है, कुछ भी
मैं
बस.
ट्राई मार ही नहीं सकता.
क्यों? आपके साथ
मैं-
फर्स्ट पार्टी है?
नहीं वो ट्राई मारने से क्योंकि वो ही हाँ बोलो.
ऐना जी ने अपने उसमें एक चीज बोली थी, कॉल करो ना.
हाँ
ओह नो.
सारे बोल रहे हैं गो करो ना, वो कह रहे हैं कॉल करो ना.
हाँ कॉल करो ना, टेल टू गो ना. वही अबे आप समझते नहीं हो यार. क्या आप भी ना थोड़ा डीप सोचो उसको और थोड़ा बोलो. कॉल करो ना, बोलो गो करो ना.
हाँ. ए क्या यार जी खेरा साहब, आप नहीं जानते हो क्या सिंग इट इन द ट्यून ना.
नहीं वो ट्राई नहीं मारेंगे बिकॉज मारना उनके.
एक्चुअली पता है मेरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, मैं ऐसे गा नहीं सकता.
ओह.
तो सिर्फ हाँ जी.
अच्छा, किसके साथ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है बता दीजिए.
That will be a breach of contract.
आपको मालूम है ना, आप एक चीज बोलोगे हम लोग उसको 10 चीज सोचेंगे उसके बारे में. हमारा सोच बहुत दूर तक जाती है।
Well,
इसलिए वही दुर्विचार है हमारे।
ऑफलाइन पूछने हैं सवाल, ऐसे नहीं पूछ सकते ऑनलाइन आप।
तो फिर खेड़ा साहब मैं वही मीटिंग स्पीक यूज करूंगी। आई हियर यू बट आई एम गोइंग टू डू माय ओन ड्यू डिलिजेंस एंड रिसर्च ऑन दिस एंड आई विल गेट बैक टू यू एट यू।
ठीक है जी, ओके 10,000 पॉइंट्स पक्के मेरे पे।
नहीं माइनस हो गया आपको, डोंट वरी। ओके खेड़ा साहब, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग अस। सैटरडे को जीसी में आना पड़ेगा आपको। हैं
इस सैटरडे को जीसी में नहीं आया ना खेड़ा साहब, देख लेना।
हाँ
देख लेना बस।
आई विल डेफिनेटली बी देयर।
जो चाहे देख लेना, टीवी वीसीआर कुछ भी, बस देख लो बस। थैंक यू सो मच सर।
आजकल के घर में वीसीआर है क्या?
अरे नहीं तो बाय द वे फादर, आई रियलाइज पीपल डू हैव दोस थिंग्स इन देयर हाउसेस।
व्हाट?
एक वीसीआर रहेगा, डीवीडी रहेगा, सब कुछ रहेगा। सम पीपल एक्चुअली हैव इट।
Dude, I don't have it. I don't have a DVD. No, I don't have a DVD player. I have a Blu-ray. But
अरे
then...
फादर, तू तो यार, तेरे बारे में हम बात नहीं करते बिकॉज तू रॉयल्टी है यार, तेरे लिए ऑटोमेटिक आ जाता है जब चाहिए।
मजाक नहीं उड़ाने का।
तुम्हारा नौकर के क्वार्टर्स में देख रहेगा डेफिनेटली।
नौकर के क्वार्टर्स में? ओह माय गॉड।
हाँ वही कुपट में तो दिया ना, तो नौकर के लिए क्वार्टर्स वहाँ पे।
कुपट मेरा खुद का घर कुपटिनो में नहीं है, मैं नौकर को क्वार्टर दूंगी। क्वार्टर्स
नौकर क्वार्टर देती तू नौकर में क्वार्टर देती है
अमेरिका में। नौकर
साहब सुनो, ये बड़े नौकर में क्वार्टर देती है।
अच्छा
खेड़ा सा तो खुश हो गए अभी।
क्यों?
ऐसे दिलदार लोग
क्वार्टर से क्या मिलता है?
क्वार्टर से वो मिलता है।
ओह पौवा, ओह आई डिडंट नो।
Well, but Jan, I was talking about this. अभी तक हमें आंसर दिया है फादर, it doesn't matter.
मीनाक्षी शर्मा जी, आप देख रहे हैं ना बॉस्टन से, आप तो इतना अच्छा गाती हैं, तो यहाँ पे कॉल करके बताओ यार।
अरे शेर दिल भी होना चाहिए यार।
हाँ,
मीनाक्षी जी,
हाँ.
ये क्वेश्चन है, मीटिंग्स में जनरली होती है ना। Oh, I hear what you're saying, but we have protocols, so probably we have to table it for now.
Yeah, come on, all you
How
need
do you
to
say
do
it nicely?
Nicely, no, flavorfully, in a tune के हिसाब से कैसे बताओगे आप?
Correct.
You know, people are very scared, Realtu. I'm telling you, they're very, very scared.
अरे चलेगा, थोड़ा गाना सुन के आते हैं ना।
मेरे को यही फीलिंग आता है।
चीची, हम वेजिटेरियन लोग हैं, we only do on salt chunks. हो गया तेरा मिमिक्री। एंड बजन सनी जी का देखा, तू ऐसे बोलती है तो लोग आके तेरे को डांटेंगे भी। हेलो नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम में। हुज दिस?
हेलो पैम, मैं राज लखोटिया।
ये तो सही से बोल देंगे, बिकॉज़ एक एक्सपीरियंस बहुत है। हाँ बोलिए सर।
बहुत अच्छा क्रिएटिव थीम लेकर आए हो आप, वेरी नाइस।
थैंक यू सर। लेकिन कोई टेस्ट अटेम्प्ट नहीं कर रहा यार, खेड़ा सा तो डर के मारे भाग गए।
करना पड़ेगा।
हाँ सोचो, बोलो।
तो मैंने 2 लाइनें सोची है इसके ऊपर, जो पाया था ना आपने, ये वाला लास्ट वाला वो है। सुन रहा हूँ मैं, पूछूंगा मैनेजमेंट से, फिर बताऊंगा तुझे क्या है उनका फैसला। सुन रहा हूँ मैं।
वाह,
ब्यूटीफुल सर। दिल आपने गार्डन कर दिया, मतलब बाग बगीचा कर दिया आपने।
Exactly.
Yes, I like it. So that is creativity.
उससे पकड़ा मैंने।
हाँ देखा, वही ना, that's wonderful.
हाँ बिल्कुल, exactly sir. ऐसे ही बस, कुछ खास नहीं। I mean, you know, you just have to fit it into the tune. That's all. Yeah.
So very good sir. आप सुनते रहेगा, एक और चैलेंज होगा थोड़ी देर में। And yes, it's wonderful.
आपको मिलते हैं 185,000 points.
हाँ दे लो सर, 185,000 points. Okay. And Saturday को मिलेंगे आपको, ठीक है?
गीत गाना चलने मिलेंगे सर। Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And of course,
क्या सही पकड़ा
right? How about one thing, Father, which I've always seen people do, and generally the people are the most egotistic people who think that they're doing us a favor by coming to meetings.
मुझे क्यों देख रहे हैं आलतू?
Because you're the one who always says, I have a hard stop at this time. मीटिंग शुरू नहीं हुआ। नहीं मीटिंग शुरू नहीं हुआ रहेगा।
No, I don't say that all the time.
सब लोग आए होंगे, hey बोले, I have a hard stop at 10:30 because this meeting is unimportant. I just jumped in to jump off. Like that, you know, that's the thing. Hey, it happens. People say that.
I never say that. There are some people who do that all the time, and I know how annoying that can be.
Yes, so if for those people, if they want to say I have a hard stop in a different way, probably we'll take it the right way. But Faltani will be like, oh yeah, okay, I have a hard stop at, so meeting is started around 10:30. She'll say, I have a hard stop at 10:45. मतलब जो भी पॉइंट बोला, ये बोलता मैं निकलना हूँ, भाग रही हूँ।
Yeah, guys, can I go first because I have a hard stop in 15 minutes, or I have a hard stop. No,
exactly what she says.
Yeah, exactly. No, I don't say that. No, Bandujan, I never say that.
Well, that's the point.
I never accept a meeting if I know that I cannot attend it. I never do. yeah.
Last week.
What last week?
मीटिंग नंबर बताओ.
हाँ. Hey, वो मेरे आला बच्चों का मीटिंग भी था यार, उसके लिए मुझे कोऑर्डिनेट करना था, तो सॉरी.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Shut.
Okay.
Altu Baba, be quiet.
Fine.
So give them the tune.
मैंने ट्यून देना क्या है ना कि ये जो है ना, I have a hard stop.
Yeah.
There's one particular movie which talks about stops. It goes
How does that fit?
देखो फालतू अगर तेरे को टिप्पणी करनी है तो कर अभी. हाँ, तू अपना ट्यून दे.
नहीं, मेरे को कुछ नहीं ट्यून देना, आप उस ट्यून में फिट करिएगा.
Oh my God, कितना गुस्सा करते हैं फादर. तो कभी कभार you have to control your anger, Father. What is this?
You said no. Some egoistic people do these things. Okay, next time I'm never going to use hard stop. I'll say I have a soft stop.
So, but that doesn't matter. You don't have to use the tune I gave you. You can think of any other tune. You got to mention the particular thing, hard stop.
So,
in a very nice way. गाने के तौर पे पेश करेंगे तो probably people see Faltoni had not said I have a hard stop. People would have said like, हाँ, she's very nice to grace our meeting. But no, she's got to show that she's gracing our meeting.
Altu Baba, I got another song.
Very good. Tune बताओ ना.
Na 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 na.
La 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 la. You don't have to go so far, but she's got a very good point there.
Yeah.
So I got a hot stop, and let's finish this really fast. वो जो meeting हम सब पूछ रहे हैं, right?
उनको जो पूछना है, उनका काम खत्म हो जाना है.
Correct.
हाँ.
So how do they say that in a very nice way in a song format? ताकि we're giving ideas to those people.
Yeah.
So they use this song as opposed to those kind of words.
So use your brains, Bunijan, and fit these words.
जोर लगाओ दिमाग पे.
दिल से गाने को महसूस करो और ये ट्यून लगाओ. ना 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 ना.
तो बदजन.
ना 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 ना.
आप लोगों को बस मैं दो चीज बोलूँगा.
हाँ.
जोर लगाओ दिमाग पे. फोन लगाओ यहाँ पे. 408-912-2479. 408-912-2479.
That's 408-912-2479.
ऐसा.
उसकी अखियां इंग्लिश बोले मेरी अनपढ़ अखियां रे. बैठे बैठे ना गई देखो दिल को मेरे ठगियां रे. से होके फिर वो डीजे से जाके बोली भैया तू डिसाइड करियो अब बीट चले या थोड़ी क्योंकि बेबी को बेस पसंद है. बेबी को बेस पसंद है. जब वो नाचे मुझको उसका फेस पसंद है. बेबी को बेस पसंद है. बेस पसंद है.
हाय मेरे भोले पंछी पढ़ना उल्टी पटिया रे. भूलना मेरे साथ खड़ी है मेरी 16 सखिया रे. तेरे जैसे बड़े चौधरी देखे हैं मर जाने. सॉन्ग सुना के इंग्लिश के जो डाले देसी डाने क्योंकि बेबी को बेस पसंद है. बेस पसंद है.
अरे वाह. अरे वाह.
बेबी को बेस पसंद है.
जाने के कैसा असर हुआ है हशर हुआ है दिल का जो तुझे है देखा जैसे हूँ भूला बाकी सारी दुनिया को.
पीछे तो बड़ा है डेफिनेटली ठीक बड़ा है. खुद को तो समझे कूल बड़ा है पर फूल बड़ा है.
उससे में रेड रेड ये फेस पसंद है. बेबी को बेस पसंद है. हाय बेबी को बेस पसंद है. Now chori wanting dance but छोरा want a romance. So छोरा बोल इस DJ से Jay no taking chance. दोनों हाथ हवा में करके नाचे गोरी घड़ी से मॉडर्न बेबी से जो पंगा लेगा हो जाएगी प्रॉब्लम. चोरी किस से फायर से सब लड़कों की डिजायर से यो चलता फिरता फैशन सो बेबी बिजली की नंगी वायर से. मैं पागल हो गया तेरे पीछे दिल मेरा तेरी लगे नीचे टक टक बजती जो डांस फ्लोर पे जब तू नाचे आंखें मीचे आंखें मीचे आंखें मीचे आंखें मीचे आंखें मीचे. स्पीकर का वॉल्यूम उसको तेज पसंद है बेबी को बेस पसंद है. जब वो नाचे मुझको उसका फेस पसंद है बेबी को बेस पसंद है.
बेबी का बेस्ट पसंद है. ये सिंपल चीज जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना है डीजे को एक गाने के माध्यम में दे दिया उन्होंने, तो व्हाई कांट वी डू इट, राइट?
एग्जैक्टली.
मीटिंग के वर्डिंग्स को हम लोग गाने के माध्यम में क्यों पेश नहीं कर सकते यार? हमने हमारे खून में रग रग में बॉलीवुड बसा है बड़जन. ब्लड ग्रुप मालूम है ना, AB पॉजिटिव. ऑलवेज बी आल्टो बाबा पॉजिटिव.
आलतू बाबा पॉजिटिव.
AB पॉजिटिव.
ओह माय गॉड, B पॉजिटिव है वो.
अरे तेरे लिए वो AB पॉजिटिव है, लेकिन मेरे लिए O पॉजिटिव है. Well, Bajan, the point is, आज हम लोग question. देखो Valdani, we have to get a song for the particular thing, right? A hard stop.
हाँ.
I have a hard stop.
I have a hard
वो गाना
stop.
नहीं आया. एक और चीज है, मैं कंफ्यूज करूंगा बंदे लोगों को.
नहीं, वो दे देना, क्वेश्चन फिर से देना, क्योंकि
I want to
कुछ
see-
लोग तो अभी भी ट्यून इन हो रहे हैं. क्या करें वो?
Oh really?
हाँ.
तो आज देखो मीटिंग्स में जनरली जो रेगुलर फ्रेजेस होती है, many of you actually have been part of many meetings. I understand many of you because not all of us. Like I'm not a person who loves meetings. I hate meetings because meeting tells you that you got a lot of time to do nothing. Yes.
There is nothing that can be accomplished without a meeting right now, especially with shelter in place.
When nothing is everything though.
Huh? Sorry, what?
Nothing, everything comes from nothing, Faltrani. If there's no nothing, there can't be everything.
Wait, what?
Exactly. But the point is, Faltrani is very deep. Faltrani sometimes gets caught up in the kind of thoughts and everything. She's like a very deep thinker, right? But and my concepts always are up there somewhere. Height difference, Faltrani, height difference.
Meeting? Everything comes from nothing. What are you
Everything,
talking-
if there's no nothing, there can't be everything, right?
Huh?
Yeah.
What? Anyway, please tell our Badus what they need to do.
Okay, but the thing is, in these meetings, right, there are these phrases people use. The reason they use the phrases is because they want to seem very educated,
Huh.
very professional.
Huh.
So many a times, these meeting phrases are cliched.
Yeah.
Things which they download from someplace, suppose, wherever it is, or they heard somebody else put a spirit onto them and they can spirit onto us.
Huh.
That's what happens.
Huh.
Like one thing which I've heard, I never knew about this hard stop until I came to America. I'll be honest about it.
Yeah,
I
I've
never
never heard
knew
of
what
the
a hard
hard-
stop is
Yeah.
until I came to America.
Yeah.
America mein
Bay
someone-
Area, Bay Area.
I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't.
I
You know,
went
I
to
was in.
Atlanta over here. No, Atlanta. Maybe I didn't hear about hard stop. Over
What,
here,
you
a
were
Bay Area
in,
only.
you were in New York too. You were in.
No, but I heard the Bay Area only, right about that, because Bay Area is when I got into business, right? So
Right.
basically, Parajan, I heard the hard stop concept over here only.
Yeah.
And people use like, what do you mean hard stop? When you know you have a meeting, could you go for 1 hour?
Yeah.
Hard stop at 10:30. Where's your planning?
Exactly.
My point is that. So the thing is, people who want to say I have a hard stop, I got to leave, they could say it in a better way, I would think.
Yeah.
Like, you know, hey guys, sorry about that, I got to go. No, but they'll say, hey guys, I have a hard stop at around 10:30, so let's finish this really fast.
Yeah.
Is what they would say.
Yeah.
Okay, so now for those people, how they can say it in a nice way in the
Yeah.
form of a song.
Yeah.
How will they do it?
Yeah.
Here's a question.
Yeah.
To you guys. Yeah, I have an answer for it. There's a wonderful tune Faltani gave me right now. What's the tune, Faltani?
Na 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 na
Uh-huh.
na 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 na
Yeah.
na na na.
So इस tune में अगर आप if you want to say that thing, you don't have to use a same verbatim like I have I gotta go 10:30. No, you can just say the message
Yeah.
in that tune.
In that tune, yeah.
Okay, but try to see if you can bring the hard stop into it, anyways.
It'll be nice if you can bring the hard stop word into it.
Exactly.
तो आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना है. स्टूडियो का नंबर है 4089122479. विशाल जी, थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने इतना अच्छा कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया हमारे क्रिएटिविटी के बारे में. हमें मालूम है आप भी कितने क्रिएटिव हो, तो यहाँ पे जरूर जल्दी जल्दी कॉल करो.
विशाल जी, ऐसे कमेंट्स जो भी होते हैं ना, आप प्लीज फेसबुक डाला करें. ये आप मैसेज करोगे तो फालतूनी को मिलता है, मेरे को मिलता नहीं है एंड लोगों को पता भी नहीं चलता कि आपने क्या क्या बोला है.
अच्छा आलतू इतना गुस्से में क्यों बोल रहा है?
देखो क्या कार फ्यूज कर रहे हो बोल रहे हैं हमारे फेसबुक पे वैसे कमेंट आते हैं.
अच्छा.
विशाल जी अच्छे कमेंट डालो फेसबुक पे.
हाँ, और हमारे एक बंधु है जो जिन्होंने कहा कि आई एम लिसनिंग इन. आई सेड ओके कॉल इन देन, वेरी गुड. तो फिर उसको लगा होगा अगर मुश्किल है तो बच्चे पे डाल दिया, बच्चा सो रहा है तो मैंने कॉल कर दी. हाँ
ओके डजंट मैटर कि बच्चे के पास फोन है इसीलिए. तो लेट्स गो टू बंधु वेटिंग लाइफ फातवानी.
हाँ.
नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है, मतलब साफ सुथरा टू द पैम पैम शोस टॉकीज थर्सडे टॉकीज. हुज दिस? हेलो
पैम पैम.
यू वेलकम विशाल जी. आपका कमेंट देखा मैंने. और कौन मास्क लगा के बात कर रहे हैं? सर मास्क निकालो सर.
मास्क निकाल के?
हाँ. नहीं मास्क के साथ बोल रहे हो ना, क्योंकि फेस पे मास्क लगाया आपने.
अच्छा.
हाँ वो मास्क लगा ही रहेगा.
आप तो सेम टू सेम डाकू मगरजी दिखते हो फेसबुक पे. क्यों क्या कार फ्यूज कर रहे हो आलतू? क्या सही में कमेंट बारे में कैसे बात कर?
रानी को कान फ्यूज करते जा रहे हो, बेचारी बोल दिया है.
अच्छा, यहाँ पे आप अपने दोस्त का हेल्प कर. देख तेरे को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं.
थैंक यू वेरी मच यार, थैंक यू वेरी
नहीं
मच.
करेंगे. आप क्या सोचते हो, अकेली है
क्या? उल्टा आवाज सही है यार, मेरे भी बच्चे मिल पाओ सब लोग. अच्छा भाई बताओ, ये ऐसा एक कॉन्सेप्ट है हार्ट स्टॉप, आप सुने कभी? हैव यू हर्ड एनीबॉडी इन योर मीटिंग से दैट हार्ट स्टॉप?
हर मीटिंग में एक ना एक को रहता ही है
ना? Exactly. I don't know why they do that though.
It is so annoying, isn't it? Sometimes when people say we have a hard stop, we're like, भैया हमने मीटिंग 10 to 11 रखा है. What do you mean at 10:15 or 10:30 you have a hard stop?
हाँ मैंने एक बार बोल दिया था चल निकल अभी मीटिंग को स्टार्ट सब टाइम बोल रहा था एक बार. एक बंदे को निकाल दिया था मैंने एक्चुअली मीटिंग से.
हाँ तो उसको एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करना चाहिए.
Exactly.
Accept the meeting.
Yeah, exactly.
कुछ साल पहले यहाँ पे मीटिंग यहाँ पे
propose a new time. There are several different options.
हाँ तो एक बंदा आया था, एक बंदी आई थी एक्चुअली यहाँ पे मीटिंग पे स्टूडियो पे. आई हैव अ हार्ड स्टॉप इन 15 मिनट्स. चलो निकल तू मत ही रहे तू बोल मेरे.
नहीं seriously, it was a client or a prospective client. They said I have a hard stop in 15 minutes. तो मैं आलतू बाबा ने बोला this is going to take way longer than that. You know what? Let's do this. Let's reschedule.
बस नहीं चाहिए भेज दे मैंने उसको.
No, why didn't you tell me what your pricing is? तो आलतू ने कहा no, it's not going to work like that.
Exactly. Hey, no, don't you feel already? You actually have to.
Yeah.
Somewhere you have to pull the thing and tell them, you know what, this is not right.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
अच्छा बाद में अभी ये अगर गाने के माध्यम से बोलना पड़ेगा तो कैसे बोलेंगे आप विशाल जी?
जाने दो मुझे जाना है. ओ जाने दो मुझे जाना है. आज किसी से मुलाकात है मेरी. बोलो कौन है वो?
अच्छा वहाँ पे बाजू में कौन बोल रहे हैं? अच्छा ज्योति जी भी साथ में है?
कौन है वो?
हाँ वो पूछ रही है. अच्छा वेरी गुड. Hey father, I think it'll fly just the way the song is. It'll fly.
नहीं विशाल जी, come on, we want you to incorporate. आप तो इतने सारे मीटिंग्स में बैठते हो यार. आपको you have to make it like
एक हॉट स्टॉप लगा दो.
हॉट स्टॉप लगा दो and then you know कि आपको कितने बजे जाना है ऐसे करके कुछ हॉट स्टॉप लगाओ. तो जल्दी बताना है, जो भी लोगों को बोलना है तो जल्दी बोलना है टाइप्स. और you have to go first because you have a hard stop.
हाँ
ऐसे कुछ बोलो. लगाओ वर्ड्स उसमें. ट्राई करो.
ओ अच्छा ओ या थीम भूल गया मैं तो टीजर देखा था.
You have to use the meeting speak. You can. It doesn't have to be like totally in pras. It can be like it just has to be that you're conveying it through a tune.
हाँ.
अच्छा चलता हूँ, मेरा टाइम हो गया. मुझे अगली मीटिंग में भी जाना है. अब चलता हूँ,
I have a heart song.
Hey, it's okay. Hey, Faltani, I like it. I'm liking it.
yeah, why not?
I totally am liking it. You know why? This is what I'm talking about, Badrijan. It's okay. You don't have to say, oh my God, I don't know if I'm perfect or no. It's perfect the way it is.
Yeah,
Because it
exactly.
is breaking the norm.
Yeah.
It's breaking the norm, the hard set rules of saying it the way it's supposed to be said. Right? Yeah, come on, let's be different, right?
Exactly. अच्छा चलता. Very good. Yeah, yeah.
Very good. 100%.
Like you know, exactly. तो मुझे चलना है. मेरा हार्ड स्टॉप है यार. एक और मीटिंग में भी कमिट कर दिया है मेरे यार. मुझे बोलने दो 2 more minutes में something whatever.
Wow, Faltani को creative हो रही है. Next time you want to actually get some creativity onto your meetings, but you know who to call, right? Who are you going to call? Faltu Rani. And अच्छा, by the way, no.
Meeting busters.
And okay.
मुझे बोलने दो
हाँ.
क्योंकि मुझे जाना है.
ओहो. सही है. सही है.
हम साउंड दिख रहे हैं मुझे.
Good. Okay. No, I'll tell you what. एक और चीज है meetings में ना. We have, if you notice, Badrijan, हर एक meeting में somewhere, some point in time, थोड़ा deviate होता है. And the deviation is good always. You know, because that kind of talks about the overall thought process of the team actually, right? You know, stressful situation होती है, थोड़ा deviate हो जाता है. Somebody cracks a joke like this. Vishalji is there. He always comes up with the nice ideas and everything and all. Funny ideas. So but there'll always be somebody over there sitting and saying like, oh, come on, let's get back on track.
Yeah.
Do you know this, teachers? Have you come across those people in your meetings, Vishalji?
हमारी मीटिंग सारी बोरिंग ही होती है.
नहीं, मतलब will there be somebody who says like, come on, let's get back to track?
Yeah. Like as if they know what the track is. Like coming.
Let's go to the main agenda, is what they say.
Let's stick to the agenda.
Yeah.
Have you noticed?
No. Right now, I am that person, I think. Because sometimes I have noticed meeting में they are just going off because everything is on meeting right now. सब कुछ तो Zoom पे हो रहा है, calls पे हो रहा है. Then somebody is like trying to think about something and talking about something जो उनको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. Still they are trying to talk among themselves. अरे, and come back on track.
So you're the policeman. Okay.
Let's get right people on the meeting. अभी अपने आप अंदर से क्या तुम स्पेकुलेट कर रहे हो? अभी हम सारा दिन यही मीटिंग करते रहेंगे.
So excellent. So now your situation is there. So आप बताओ, if you were to say that thing to them in a different way, in a song format, how would you say it? Let's try this now because आप तो you talked about the fact that you're in that situation many times. So how do you think you can make it sound like as a not like not offending them but in a song style? How do you do it?
Spot पे डाल दिया.
अरे मजा आएगा साथ में. Let's do it together, no Faltani?
Yeah.
Let's work up. I put you on spot because it's something which I want to think about. So let's see. So now you got to say that you got to get their attention. One thing.
Yeah.
And you got to get their attention. Tell them to come back to thing. Right?
Okay.
So you can also start with that song, right? La 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 la.
What is it?
साथी हाथ ट्रैक पे आजा.
साथी ट्रैक पे आना.
अकेला कहाँ जा रहा मीटिंग के ट्रैक पे आजा.
साथी ट्रैक पे आजा. एक मैं अकेला थक जाऊंगा मिलकर दिमाग लगाना. साथी ट्रैक पे आना. देखा कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया.
Next time use कर लो. Unfortunately, if you have Americans or other Asian people, they don't understand. At least they'll smile, right? At least they'll smile.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We tried.
I had another song.
हाँ बताना.
No, never mind.
अरे बताना.
बोलो ना.
Creativity, come on, Faltu.
Never mind क्या मतलब है?
हाँ.
बाबू एजेंडा देख रहे. ट्रैक पे आ रहे.
Oh, आजा.
No, something like that, you know.
Pam.
Yeah.
Pam.
Faltu always a work in progress.
क्या?
She's a work in progress. She
Yeah, also अभी ट्रेनिंग पूरी नहीं हुई है.
अभी तक कभी नहीं. हाँ सोच आ गया उसको. दिमाग आ गया.
बाबू एजेंडा देख रहे. ट्रैक पे आ रहे. वक्त है कम.
यहाँ सबको है जाना,
हाँ।
अपने पे काम पे आ जाना।
और उसका यहाँ है हार्ट स्टॉप,
हाँ।
तू कहाँ भटका, आजा वापस रे।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। देखो क्रिएटिविटी, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। देखो ऐसा कोई मीटिंग हो तो आई विल अटेंड बैंड सीरियसली, एंड आई विल गिव माय 100% द मीटिंग आल्सो इफ समबडी सिंग्स अ सॉन्ग दिस वे।
हाँ, अरे विशाल जी आप और मैं ना बहुत सेम सोच रहे, मैं भी वही हार्ट स्टॉप का ही सोच रही थी।
राइट, क्या?
Yeah, I was thinking the exact same thing. I was like, मेरा है हार्ट स्टॉप।
आपको सुन के ये भी खुशी होगी कि आप जो बोल रहे हो, पीपल टेल देम टू कम बैक टू ट्रैक, ये ऐसे ही है। That's why I call it a whip actually. As a नहीं, वो as in work in progress of course. But मारती बहुत एक whip up है। टाइम पे, पॉइंट पे।
मैं पॉइंट,
हाँ, हंटर है वो।
नहीं पॉइंट पे आ नहीं। जब हम लोग कोई सीरियस मीटिंग डिस्कस करें, मैंने बोला आलतू बाबा कैन यू किक ऑफ द मीटिंग, और ये जो हमारे प्रज्ञा के एलाइज वाला मीटिंग चल रहा है, आई सेड आलतू कैन यू स्टार्ट ऑफ द मीटिंग, गेट देम स्टार्टेड ऑन इट। मालूम है क्या बात कर रहा है कि नेटफ्लिक्स पे कौन सा सीरियल, कौन सा शो देखना।
हेलो,
पूरा 25 मिनट्स ही डिस्कस दैट।
एजेंडा नहीं मिला मुझे, क्या करना है, कैसा करना है, तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं तो टाइम पास ही करूंगा ना यार। मेरा स्पेशलिटी है भाई टाइम पास करना। आप भी सही में यार, बात तो नहीं। बट हे एक्सक्यूज मी, मैंने इसमें पीएचडी की है बाय द वे।
हाँ मालूम है, पास्ड विद हेवी डिफिकल्टी।
दैट्स ट्रू। एंड बाय द वे थैंक यू सो मच विशाल जी। आपको मजा आया ना? मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंटली
क्या
आपको मजा आया ना?
क्यों नहीं, बिल्कुल बहुत मजा आया।
क्यों नहीं, मैं आप बस हाँ बोलो और ज्यादा मत बोलो।
हाँ,
ठीक है,
मैंने 3-4 घंटे पहले ही बोल दिया था।
I know, so sweet. Thank you so much. I
was the only one.
Yes, I know. And Faltani is complaining that I did not post it anywhere else.
He didn't post it. मैंने Instagram पे पोस्ट करने के लिए बोला, Facebook पे हर जगह पोस्ट, हर इतने सारे पेजेस हैं।
अरे Faltani, why am not paying you?
हाँ?
What am I not paying you for? What am I not paying you for? बता ना. What am I not paying you for?
इसको ना मैं क्या करूं यार विशाल जी, सीरियसली बंधुजन आप ही को मैं
I'm not paying up for Instagram uploads.
मैं ना एक काम करती हूँ, मैं हेडमास्टर और प्रिंसिपल को दोनों को बुला के उनको तेरे सामने बिठाती हूँ, देखो तेरा क्लास ले बोलो।
Of course.
वो छड़ी से क्लास लेंगे।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली। और ये जैसे भजन लगा रहा था ना, बेबी को बेस पसंद है।
हाँ, अरे अभी अगला भजन तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा।
और भड़क जाएंगे।
देखा, और मजा आ जाएगा बाद में। तो विशाल जी थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग इन, एंड यस आइडियाज भी दिया आपने, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड फालतू का क्रेडिट जो अभी फ्लो हो रही है, तो और नेक्स्ट चैलेंज वो खुद करेगी। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कॉलिंग, थैंक यू। एंड ऑफ कोर्स भजन देखो, नेक्स्ट चैलेंज देख के आई एम गोना मूव फॉरवर्ड।
हाँ,
ओके, नेक्स्ट चैलेंज जो है ना फालतू, व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट डायनामिक्स ऑफ अ मीटिंग, राइट?
हाँ,
we talked about the person who wants to leave the meeting because he's very
हार्ट स्टॉप है उनको।
हाँ,
या उनके पास टाइम नहीं है, कुछ ऐसा, राइट?
yeah.
That's what you mean.
But there are some people like me who come into meetings a bit late.
हाँ, come into meetings little bit late.
Yeah.
There are some people who will come 15 minutes, 20 minutes late, Banjan,
So
and they'll
or everybody say, sorry guys, sorry I'm late.
हाँ.
It's so boring to say that word. You can't just keep saying all that. Excuse me, I'm late.
हाँ.
Excuse me, what did I miss?
हाँ.
Right? So all those things.
हाँ.
How do you say that thing in a song format?
How do you say that in a song format?
Yeah.
तो आपको कॉल करना है 4089122479 and you got to tell us कि क्या? Excuse me, what did I miss?
No, I'm late. I'm sorry, I'm late.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm late. Did I miss anything?
Did I miss anything?
What? Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, it's a benefit to you also, Padwani, because I've seen you sometimes join meetings late. So. Oh, everybody in Pragna board is saying yes. Okay, but your number to call you 4089122479. Please let us know if you want to say sorry I'm late in a meeting. How would you say it?
हाँ, आपको कॉल करना है 4089122479. दीपक जी, very nice set of lines that you posted there. ट्यून में गा के सुनाना है तो यहाँ पे कॉल करना है आपको 4089122479. Again 4089122479. वनीत भाटिया जी, nice to see you joining us also on Facebook. Hi, विशाल अरोड़ा जी, आपको भी दे दिया। तो ये ब्यूटीफुल गाना है बंधुजन, अमिताभ भट्टाचार्य के बोल है, प्रीतम का म्यूजिक है। कितना सिंपल है, देखो सरल है। दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया, मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने breakup कर दिया. So cute and so simple and straightforward. What a beautiful tune.
अंग्रेजी चिड़िया की खातिर देसी दिल मेरा तोड़ दिया. मैंने छोड़ दिया, उसे छोड़ दिया. उसकी काली करतूतों ने उसका भांडा फोड़ दिया. मैंने छोड़ दिया, उसे छोड़ दिया. दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया. ओ दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया. अरे हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया. ओ तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया.
तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
कुछ दिन तो रोना धोना बम्पर किया और फिर डिलीट उसका नंबर किया. आंसू जो सूखे सीधा पार्लर गई. पार्लर में जाके शैम्पू जम कर किया. कॉलेज की सहेलियों से कैचअप कर लिया. अरे कॉलेज की सहेलियों से कैचअप कर लिया. जिनको मिलना पाई उनको व्हाट्सएप कर दिया. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
Look, baby, मुझे लगता है कि जो भी तूने किया है वो वेरी वेरी राइट है. भूतकाल को भूल जा, अब तू आने वाला फ्यूचर वेरी वेरी ब्राइट है. मैं हूं ना बेबी साथ तेरे, पार्टी शादी होनी पूरी नाइट है. माइंड न करना जो थोड़ा ज्यादा बोल दो क्योंकि बंदा वेरी वेरी टाइट है. उसे फोन मिला और गाली दे, फोटो जला के कर दे राख साले तेरी पार्टियां.
मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया.
तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने ब्रेकअप कर लिया.
Breakup song कर दे दिल की feeling strong. And Banjan, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed presenting for you guys. वैसे तो बहुत सारे phrases हैं जिसके बारे में हम बात कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये COVID-19 shelter in place day number 37 and especially for Urmilda आपके 38. The point is we want to say that the ideas we cover for people. What happened, Falguni?
मैंने गलती लिख दिया तो पापा, मैंने 36 लिख दिया. अभी उर्मिला को और लगी होगी.
क्या लगी होगी?
वो
प्यास की बात कर रहा था पानी पीने के लिए. Well, there are a lot of things. In fact, there's some things like, people, there's some people actually have a standard way of introducing a new topic, right? And some people have a standard way. Is the agenda available to everybody? Some people would have been there in the meeting, wouldn't have got agenda at all. Yeah, she never gets agenda. That's the point. People on Facebook actually saw it. And of course, बजट इसकी बोलती बंद हो गई क्योंकि सच बहुत बोलता हूँ मैं इसलिए. Then what are the things like, some people ask questions also on meetings. Like they want clarity. They say like, yeah, could you repeat that please?
Yeah.
And some people don't just because they want to do only for the person.
No.
Yeah, they do it.
Can you explain it to me better?
Yeah, I can understand that. Can you explain it?
Yeah.
They do all those things.
Yeah.
वैसे बहुत सारे ऐसे होते हैं, and Faltun, you can share a few things which your experience of meetings, like 4-6 meetings in a day. How do you do that? Anything which you want to share with us, Faltun?
There'll be one person who'll always say, "I have one more question." Just before we go, can I ask one more question? Or some people will not even wait. Everybody will have a turn, right? Zoom meetings में ये हमेशा होता है. Yeah, online meetings में one of the biggest issues is when too many people talk at the same time. Yeah, and then everybody will go. There'll be this abrupt silence.
Yes.
Then nobody will. okay, that's still doable, but then there'll be some people who will speak completely out of turn,
Uh-huh.
and then they'll keep continuing to talk without even acknowledging that somebody else was trying to ask a
Yes.
question.
And one more thing in Zoom meetings you notice, Faltu Rani, would be these things.
Yeah.
Some people will turn the mic off.
I think it happens. Yeah, it happens.
It happens quite often. People were talking with them. And they've also
No, there'll be another thing. Cooker ki seedhi.
and one more thing which is there in most of these meetings, right?
Huh.
Yeah. They would have kept the speaker near the plastic.
No, sometimes they don't realize that, like, you know, what Zoom meetings, you've seen it on Facebook. This Alto will be eating something, the mic will still be on and he'll be eating on air.
Ah, that's different.
I can actually hear it in my headset. I'm like, what? Seriously?
You can hear it in your head, isn't Faltu Rani?
Yeah.
You can hear it in your ears, Faltu Rani, not in your head.
Headset.
Oh my
Can't clean karke aa.
God, fine. Parajan, now we're going to tell you one more thing.
Huh.
Talkies. Thursday Talkies may be talking about how we can actually say things in talking format. Singing format, what do you want to say, right?
Yeah.
So, Faltu Rani, how about we sign off in the same andaz as what the show is about today?
बिल्कुल. Sayonara.
Sayonara, वादा निभाओगे. हाँ, हमने वाट लगा दिया ब्रदर ट्यून का, बट डजंट मैटर. एंजॉय करो, वादा निभाएंगे. कल सवेरे आएंगे हम लोग आपके साथ में 9 o'clock शाम बलंजन में गुड मॉर्निंग बे. बाद में अगेन 5 o'clock we'll be back with Friday बलंजन. ये शाम मस्तानी है, अनमोल लगमी एंड तेजी IF which is Thank God's Fresh. लेकिन अभी के लिए बोलेंगे आपको बलंजन गुड नाइट, शब्बा खैर. In
and-
those Zoom meetings, please use these songs if you can.
Exactly. Spice life up, yeah. That's the reason we do this.
Yeah.
So, again, good night,
Shabba
Shabba Khair,
khair
and
and
a pyar
a pyar
bhara.
bhara. Mwah!